Hey, what's up everybody? This is Daddy James Films and I'm making another video. In this video I'm going to show you how long smoke time do you get with this fog machine. Now by the way, it's a Theefun 4000 watt fog machine. Okay, it looks like you got about 26 seconds, almost, well, basically 27 seconds of smoke, fog, or whatever you want to call it. Up next, we're going to go ahead and measure the wait time, from the wait time from when it stops smoking until it's able to smoke again. Okay, when it stops, I'm going to hit the start the timer here, and we're going to see what is the wait time. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start clicking on the button until it actually starts smoking again. The reason why it hasn't started back yet is because there is still a wait time on there. So right now we're at 25 seconds, so let's see how much longer it takes for the wait time on this. Okay, it looks like about 43, almost 44 seconds of wait time in between the smoke. Okay, those are the wait times, the times it takes to smoke, and the wait time in between, okay? Now, what I have to say about this, I really like it. It's not noisy. I kind of like the lights, but the one thing I don't like, the lights will only come on while it's smoking. When it's not smoking, the lights won't come on, which I thought was kind of a bummer. The only other thing I don't like is the wait time in between each time you do the fog. But as long as you don't have a huge area, I think it would be fine. Unfortunately, I went to a pawn shop and I ended up finding another smoke machine there after I done bought this. And what sucks about it is that the other one is better than this one, and it costs about the same. Well, it costs about the same at the pawn shop anyways. But, hey, now I got two fog machines. And just in case you're wondering, the other fog machine that I got at the pawn shop was a Hurricane 1100. It's a pretty good fog machine. It's a little bit more higher grade than this one. There's no wait time in between the fogs, but it is better if you waited a little bit before you hit the button again. One thing I will say positive about this one here is that it's a lot more quieter than the one I got at the pawn shop. So that is a plus. You don't really hear this one. The only thing you hear is, the smoke coming out. The other one, you kind of hear a little bit like a motor sound with the other one. So, anyways, that's it for this video. Until next time, live long and prosper, and peace out.